Hi, and welcome to Rakuten Advertising. In this video, we'll show you how to use the lock status report to see when your orders will be locked and billed to the advertiser. I'm starting this video directly from the reporting interface. For instructions on how to get to this step, check out the Help Center. First, click Choose Report. Then, scroll down and open the Order Lock submenu. This is where you will find the Lock Status Report. To load the data, click View Report. To view the status of your EOL transactions, look at the Lock Status column. A locked status means that no adjustments can be made and you are guaranteed your commission payout. An unlocked status means that the transaction can still be adjusted. If the order is set to locked, the order locked columns show the date and time the order locked. Once an order locks, it is sent to the invoice for that month. If you want to know when you will get paid for orders that are unlocked, click the Lock Status in Unlocked Locked filter. Deselect Locked. Then click Apply. Click View Report to reload data for your unlocked orders only. Once the report reloads, look at the date and time displayed in the Order Auto Lock columns. These indicate when the order will automatically lock and be invoiced. You can learn more about enhanced order locking in the Help Center. Thank you for watching.